Hi all, I'm Age, welcome to Liquid Earth. Here's a few before and after pictures of today's urban edit. We're going to create this black and moody effect filter with Lightroom Mobile, then we'll show you exactly how to save that as a preset. Or you can click the link in the comments and you can download the preset ready to upload straight into your device. Okay, let's start. First of all, go into your light tab, and first thing is take the highlights down to -51 and shadows up to +40. Go into your curve, and on the RGB curve we're going to add 3 points. Just tap on the screen to add, and on the top one we're going to pull that up and bring down the shadows. Now just drag the very left hand point up a tad to lighten up your blacks. Next click into the blue channel, and then we'll add 3 points by tapping on the screen, and the top one that we've added we're going to pull that up, and for the second point we're also going to pull that up. Leave the center one right in the middle and press done. Go into the colour, I'm going to add a little bit of vibrance to +7 to the vibrance, and on the saturation +10, and then go into the colour mix, and starting with reds, let's pull down our saturation to -30 and pull our luminance down to -13. In the oranges, again the saturation we're going to go to -30 and luminance down to -12. In the yellows, take the hue down to -60, saturation down to -100, and then off to the greens, saturation down to -100 in the greens, and the same for turquoise, -100. In blues, saturation down to -100 and luminance down to -50. Next up is purple. We're going to do exactly the same, saturation to 100 and luminance to -50. And finally in magenta, just repeat that, saturation -100 and luminance -50. And press done. Next up is effects. So we're going to take our texture up to +20, clarity up a tad, +10, and then I'm going to put a vignette on our image, so take your vignette down to -30. Finally, let's go to our detail tab, less sharpening up, +60 there, and then we're going to mask that off at +60 also, and our preset is finished. So now if you click and hold the image, you can see the before and release for the after. Let's save that as a preset. To do that, press the 3-dot settings, click create preset, give your preset a name. Now tap on user presets and create new preset group at the bottom. That'll create a new folder for you. Just name it, press the tick, and make sure all of these are ticked. They're all your parameters that you're going to save. Press the tick again and again, and that's saved the preset for you. Now we can simply apply that to any other image. So go to another image, press the presets button, navigate to the preset folder, press on the urban black, and we're done. Again, you can click and hold for the before and release for the after. Well, thanks very much for watching guys, really appreciate it. If that was useful, I do post Lightroom presets every week and also Lightroom tips and tutorials. So give me a like if you appreciated it and subscribe. It really does help grow the channel and I really do appreciate it. Thanks again guys. I will see you next time.